Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're in the third video of our series whereby we are taking basic grammar and basic morphology to help you get started on your Arabic journey. So in the first lesson we looked at pronouns like ana, I, nahnu, we, until the end of them. If you didn't watch that video, you really need to go back because you need to have memorized those pronouns in the right order to truly benefit from today's lesson, or to benefit at all, because this is very important. It is built upon that lesson. In the second lesson we took nouns plus pronouns. So we wanted possessive pronouns. So for example, how do I say my book, our book, and so on and so forth. And today bi'idhnillahi ta'ala we're going to be moving on to verbs with pronouns. So we're going to look at past tense verbs with pronouns. So for example, how do I say I went, he went, she went, they went, you went. So the verb to he went is dhahaba. So dhahaba means he went. So let's get cracking. We'll start with dhahaba plus ana. Dhahaba plus ana is dhahabtu. Dhahaba plus nahnu is dhahabna. Dhahaba plus anta is dhahabta. ذهب plus أنتِ is ذهبتِ. ذهب plus أنتما is ذهبتما. ذهب plus أنتن is ذهبتن. So you'll notice that in the past tense, when you're talking about you, ذهبتما is for two people, whether they are male or female, it doesn't change. So if you're talking to two men, you would say ذهبتما. If you're talking to two women, you would say dhahabtuma. And if you're talking to one man and one woman, it would also be dhahabtuma. Moving on to he went, it is simply dhahaba. As for dhahaba plus huma, it is dhahaba. You would add an alif, and that is only for two men or for one man and one woman. You don't use it basically for two women. You would only use it if it's a mixed, i.e. a man and a woman, or two men. So then you would say dhahaba. As for dhahaba plus hum, it's dhahabu, and that's for a group of males or a mixed group, meaning they went. Moving on to dhahaba plus hiya, which is she went, is dhahabat. Dhahaba plus huma for two women only, so it's not a man and a woman, it's just two women. It would be dhahabata. And dhahaba plus hunna, it's dhahabna. So dhahabtu is I went, dhahabna is we went, dhahabta is you went for one female, dhahabtuma is you went for two people, male or female, dhahabtum is you went for a group of males or a mixed group, dhahabtunna is for a group of females, you went. Dhahaba is he went. Dhahaba with an alif is they went for two males or for one man and one woman. Dhahabu is they went for a group of males or for a mixed group. And then you have dhahabat, which is she went. Dhahabata, which is they went for two females. And dhahabna, they went for a group of females. Now this may be confusing like the past lessons, but as you would have seen by now, if you memorize them in order, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, they become easy and you just have to practice. So get as many basic verbs as you can find, like for example, kataba or jalasa, or any basic verbs, and practice them with all of the verbs that you know. Bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, it will become easy, and do not rush to the next video until you have memorized and mastered what we have taken in today's lesson. Please fill out the link in the description, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala I'll send across the table, and I'll see you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.